Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Plug the S7 Edge into power and join a stable Wi-Fi network to prevent interruptions. Once connected, make a quick backup using Smart Switch or your Google account so you can restore settings if anything goes wrong. This is insurance. Make sure you free at least 2 GB of storage by removing large files or apps. This ensures the download and installation won't fail. Now open Settings and move to the System Update section to check for updates. You'll now check and fetch the update. Go to Settings, About Device, then Software Update and tap Check for updates so the phone queries Samsung servers. If an update appears, download over Wi-Fi to preserve mobile data. The download speed depends on file size and connection. Once downloaded, tap Install or schedule it for later. The installer verifies the package and then reboots the phone to apply changes. This step modifies system files, which is why a reboot is necessary and can take several minutes. Once the update finishes and the device reboots, check settings to confirm the new Android and security patch levels so you know the update applied correctly. If the phone becomes slow or gets stuck in a boot loop, power off and boot into recovery mode to clear the cache partition first. This often resolves post-update issues without data loss. If problems persist, restore from your backup or contact a service center. Prioritizing your backup allows a clean rollback if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.